What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Elrond Egld and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a really quick look at Egld here. We've been having a lot of requests for Elrond and a lot of other altcoins, so we're going to do some quick updates today. We're doing 6 videos in total for today, so make sure to come back and check them out. If you've been requesting altcoins, then one of yours might be on there. We're doing Veracity, that's been getting requested a lot. We've also got Egld and Chainlink have both been requested a lot as well. So we're doing 6 videos today just to confirm, smaller updates, basically just a quick update on your altcoins you've been basically asking for. So make sure to come and check all those videos out today. We really appreciate all the support. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here. You can see, it's basically been on a little bit of a journey, hasn't it? We've basically got this, big descending wedge, just like pretty much every crypto. We've been talking about this for ages now, haven't we? We've basically we've got a high, lower, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. Come down to the bottom here, find support at this $54-ish level. As you can see, this does seem to be a fairly decent amount of support, especially when you're overextended. Coming back down to these previous swing highs, it's usually somewhere where you will find a bounce. And obviously since then, being as oversold as we were as well, you can see quite clearly that we have had a really, this is bullish divergence as well. And obviously there's a divergence on our histogram here as well. You can see lots of bullish divergences. And since then we've had a really decent bounce, haven't we? We actually came up all the way up, broke through the 20, retested it as support. Nice to see. Come up to the 55 and obviously absolutely bounced off it like a beast, haven't we? Come back down, tried to hold the 20 as support, come back down again, but we made our higher low, which is really critical for breaking the trend, isn't it? Because you got your high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. But then you come up, you make your higher high, and now we've made a higher low, haven't we? And then you can see with the higher high, we've reversed the trend, haven't we? So if we're higher low now and higher high, we're just continuing to the upside, aren't we? And you can see exactly where we're hitting our head on resistance right now, which is this line that we drew in months ago. As you can see here, when we were still using the red and the green lines, you can see this is a chart we've actually pulled up from quite literally 3 or 4 months ago. And you can see we drew in this previous level of support at around this 140 level, 141 here, that we did find a support here a few times before, the eventual collapse here. And this actually has become the range that we've been in, hasn't it? Basically for the past few months. You can see on the 19th of May here where we basically put in our range. We've obviously had the big collapse. We've come down, we tried to bounce, and then we've just ground to the downside, formed a range low here, and we've been chopping it up in the range for a while, haven't we? And you can see we've actually come up here, showing a lot of strength, by the way, breaking the 20, grinding in between the 20 and the 55, consolidating nicely under resistance. Very bullish. We've come up, didn't even back test because we were looking so bullish. Didn't back test the 55, but we actually back tested this level here. Obviously, there was some sellers in this area, obviously trying to keep the price down, but it's absolutely ripped through, hasn't it? And it's just ran all the way to the top of the range, hasn't it? You can see this previous level of resistance, of support flipped into resistance for this range high that we did put in here. And for the past a week now, we've been grinding against this level, haven't we? And if we start to break this level, we're going to be looking at some really nice price targets, aren't we? Because in reality, there's not really any resistance of note that we can see, apart from coming up to around this $205 level, which is really bullish to see, isn't it? It's quite clear that, Elrond is showing a lot of strength. And you could say this is pretty much a big W double bottom shape, isn't it? And, if that's the case, and this bit of the W here is included as well, then you're looking at a nice price target here coming up to $200, aren't you? Which, you know, considering how bullish we are looking, if we take a look at the hourly chart here, we are just grinding against this resistance right now, trying to break it, aren't we? And, you know, the more times we test it, the more chance of breaking it. So do anticipate, you know, if we do start to break this line, this level of resistance here at 141, if we break out, start back testing it, doing something like this, then do anticipate that we could be looking at a really nice run up for Elrond. And there really isn't much resistance at all, is there? You could argue there's a bit of resistance here at this 155 level, and maybe a little bit of resistance here at 170. But there's nothing major to note really, is there? You would say these would probably be our preliminary price targets, this 155 level coming up to somewhere like this, maybe coming back down, having a bit of a retracement, test it again and start moving up through these levels. But you know, when you look at how strong Elrond's been, it's been basically going up in a straight line like this. It's not going to take very long for it to continue running if it does break out of this resistance, isn't it? So things looking really good. Obviously, if we do start to roll over here, which we could do, you know, it's always a possibility. Do anticipate, you know, we've got a decent amount of support here at 125, this 120 level as well. And we do think there's a very strong level of support here at this $107 level as well, this previous swing high. So if we do start to retrace like this, don't panic. We could be looking at, you know, a nice little retest of previous support before continuation. So just to sum it up then, things looking really good for Elrond, aren't they? Obviously, you know, we've seen the reversal of the trend. High, 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 low, high, high. We could come down here, bounce off our 20 or our 55 here for our high, low again. And then if we get another high, high, we are targeting that $200 level over the next few weeks. If we do start to see this trend continue doing something like this. So obviously looking really good, isn't it? Really, really good. And then for our long-term price prediction by the end of the bull run, we do think Elrond is probably going to be well over $1,000 in our opinion. This is a top quality project. That's only around, you know, a 5, 6, 7x from the current price. And we do think ultimately, considering how low its market cap is as well, and all of the bullish news that they've got coming most likely with their exchange, etc., it's probably going to be more likely the case that we do see Elrond coming up to a really nice price target, probably more like $2,000, maybe even $3,000 in our opinion, just because of the sheer amount of fundamentals that it will be seeing. But we do think that $1,000 target, very, very achievable indeed. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.